Hi my respected friends, today is the video for the Mahzooz draw which is drawing on 11th June 2022. It is great thing for me when my subscribers give me feedback for their winnings. So thanks a lot again and remember me in your prayers. Friends, today my 16 powerful numbers out of 49. From 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 3, number 2 is 5 and number 3 is 8. From 10 to 19 I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 10, 14 and 18. From 20 to 29 I have 4 numbers. Number 1 is 22, 23, 25 and 26. From 30 to 39 I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 31, number 2 32 and last is 35. From 40 to 49 I have also 3 numbers. Number 1 is 44, number 2 is 47, number 3 is 48. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it, you can choose. According to my research, these are powerful numbers. The next is most important, golden numbers. In previous my prediction, I was give you the 19 golden number and many friends select that numbers. For this draw, I have 2 golden numbers. Number 1 is 4 and number 2 is 34. These are my golden numbers. You should select one of them in your selection. These are most favorite numbers from my side, 4 and 34. Next, you should select your maximum numbers between 10 to 35. Friends, between 10 to 35, 3 or 4 numbers will come. You should select 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. Friends, if you want to play repeated number, previous result with the combination of small number 1 is 6, 11, 13, 17 and 19. It is first time the result came like that. Small numbers, if the number will repeat from this result, then 2 numbers, number 1 is 17 and number 2 is 19. These 2 numbers has chances can repeat in our upcoming draw of Mahzooz. You can select if you want to play repeated number. One important thing, when the 6, 11 came together in the result, 2 numbers came in order like 20, 21, 23, 24, 16, 17, 39, 40. You should keep in your mind when the 6, 11 or 13 came together, then the chances to came 2 numbers in order. Okay friends, so this is my final prediction. If you like any number, any pattern from this, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.